Hi everyone. Do you want to know about microgrid? Microgrid is a small-scale power supply network that is designed to provide power for a small community. Microgrid is a small subset of the electricity grid that provides energy generation and storage at a local level. Take an example of this microgrid. It has various modes of power generations, such as renewable energy power generation, gas power generation, combined heat and energy power generation. It has energy storage system. It serves to local loads, which is basically homes and facilities. A central microgrid controller helps to manage these power generation and electricity supply. Also, this microgrid has a facility to connect with the grid if grid connection is needed. Take another example microgrid which serves to residential, commercial and industrial loads. It has diesel generators, renewable energy, energy storage, and electrical vehicle charging station. Let's discuss about microgrid characteristics. 1. Microgrid enable local power generation for local loads. 2. Microgrid comprises of various power generating sources that makes it highly flexible and efficient. 3. Excess power from microgrid can be sold to the utility grid. Let's discuss the advantages of microgrid. Microgrid improve the reliability of power supply. During the power outage in the grid, microgrid can disconnect it from the grid and supply electricity to its local loads. 2. Microgrid can lower energy costs for consumers and businesses. Microgrids can minimize their customers' energy expenses by efficiently controlling energy supply, allowing consumers to manage for energy prices both short and long term. Microgrids can also provide a new revenue stream for their customers. 3. Microgrid improves the environment and promotes clean energy. Microgrid provide an opportunity to connect more and more renewable energy resources to the power system. Therefore, it helps to reduce the carbon emission. Let's discuss about the microgrid types based on its operation. There are two categories of microgrids, off-grid and grid-connected, and each encompass many different setups. Off-grid microgrids are built in areas where there is a high demand for electricity, but no access to a wide area electrical system. This is an example of an off-grid microgrid. This microgrid has energy resources such as solar PV, wind power generation, and diesel power generation. This has battery energy storage system. This microgrid has no connection to the grid. Therefore, it must supply its local loads by generating and storing electricity. This is practically possible because during the daytime wind power generation, solar power generation will generate electricity, and the battery will store whatever the excess energy generated. During the nighttime, wind power generation together with battery storage system will supply electricity. Moreover, the diesel power generation serve as a standby support by delivering whatever the excess electricity needed during daytime and in nighttime. This can be an energy management strategy for a standalone microgrid.
Let's discuss about the microgrid types based on its power. There are three categories of microgrids such as AC microgrid, DC microgrid, and hybrid microgrid. This is the end of this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.